Hello everyone to day 9. I hope I'm not too bright for you today. I felt like wearing something nice and colourful. I think in winter we tend to wear a lot of black and it kind of brings our mood down. It's nice to wear bright colours too. So today you're going to need a spoon. So if you want to pause and go and get your spoon, you can. And have that ready. Also have some sort of moisture, whether it be moisturizer, oil, or some facial spray. That's totally up to you, just so that the spoon will glide more smoothly over our skin. But we will begin with breathing to begin with, and I thought it'd be nice to give ourselves a hug to begin with. So you're going to extend your arms out, wrap them around yourself to your shoulders, and then you're just going to take your chin towards your chest, breathing into your arms. Obviously, since we're not meant to hug at this time, it's nice to give ourselves a hug, so just breathing in and out. Nice deep breaths. And release, switch onto the opposite side, and again taking a few breaths. And releasing the arms. So we'll begin on the forehead. So as I say, either have some oil or some spray just to moisten the face. Now the good idea is to have your spoon in the fridge for a while before you do some of these exercises. That way it's nice and cooling on the skin. So you just begin by running the spoon up the forehead, right up the center where you have that big muscle that it ends up getting tense, and we end up getting those frown lines. So just smoothing it up. If it's been in the fridge, it's nice and cooling as well. Okay. Then you can just go across the tops of your eyebrows, sweeping down. So it's really quite relaxing. Be a good one to do in the evening, this. And then in the opposite side, sweeping right across the eyebrow. Then what it's good for as well is if we tend to get these bags under our eyes, if it's cool and been in the fridge, you just tap it along, hold it on, and slowly move it along the bottom of your eye so it has that cooling sensation. Another thing I tend to do is keep my eye cream and creams in the fridge, and that way when you're putting them on and swap to the other eye, they're nice and cooling on the skin, which helps to get rid of the puffiness that we get under our eyes. But also, of course, a lot of that puffiness is from dehydration, from lack of sleep. So it's important that we get these things as well. The next thing we're going to do is work on our cheekbone area. So you're going to sweep it from the nose out under the cheeks, So just taking it in and under and sweeping up. Down, sweeping up. So you want to get it right under the cheekbone and sweep up. This helps with defining cheekbone. And then we're going to do it on the other side. A lot of these beauty experts are using these certain stones, certain shells or tools for doing this, but actually a spoon will work just as well, and it's not going to cost you, as you'll have one. Everyone will have a spoon. Obviously make it sure that it's clean, as well as your hands. And release. Now we're just going to run them down our marionette lines, smoothing those out. So if you make a O with your mouth, it'll be better really. So on the other side. And then I'm going to give you an exercise to do for your cheeks with the spoon. What you're going to do is you're going to put it in your mouth, but you want to wrap your lips round your teeth. And then you're going to bring the spoon up and down. Again, if you feel you're making lines here, use your hands to just hold that skin in place then. So we're going to go up and down for 12. So when you're ready, wrapping the lips around the teeth and putting the spoon in. And relax. And if you have your hands on that area, you will feel that muscle working. So you will. So we're going to do that again. So also when we lift the spoon, you want to be aware you're not lifting your eyebrows as well. So if you want, you can look in a mirror, try and relax your eyebrows and just lift the mouth area. So lips round the teeth again. And we're going to go up and down for 12. Taking it out, so you can just run it along your jawline now. So again, that's one you can do if you really want to work on that area. You can do that spoon exercise 4 or 5 times, or just add on the amount of numbers you're taking up and down. And then in the opposite direction, along the jaw, helping to define the jaw, smoothing it along. And then just running it up from your neck and out. right along to the opposite side. On the right side again. And then bringing the spoon down. So we're going to finish now with a little ear massage. You have little acupressure points up your ears, which helps stimulate the blood flow again. So normally when we do this, you may get, some people do, some people don't, but you sometimes will get a sensation of the blood, the warmth just flowing across from your cheeks to your nose. But even if you don't, normally it is happening, it's just that you can't feel it if it's deeper down, I suppose, in the skin. So begin with placing your fingers on your earlobes and just massaging your earlobes. Again, you can do this with oil, you could do this with lavender oil if you're going to bed at night, and it'll be very relaxing. So just working your way up your ear, massaging each little bit of your ear, working your way up. Obviously you may need to turn your hands round as you come to the top of the ear. And get round any earrings if you have, like me, an earring up there. You're going to have to work around that. Coming right round until you can get no further. You may already start to feel the sensation of the warmth coming across your cheeks there. So if you bring your hands down, just close your eyes and focus. Just notice if you can feel it. It's just a slight warm glow that will come across your cheeks. And then keeping your eyes closed, we will go into our affirmations. So becoming aware of the breath, noticing how your shoulders rise and fall with your breath. Relaxing the forehead. Relaxing the jaw. Relaxing any tension in your shoulders. Letting your arms rest heavy on your lap. And letting your legs rest heavy on the chair. So our affirmation for today, repeating after me 3 times with intent and power. I am safe and cared for. And you can slowly open your eyes. So I hope you find that very relaxing. I know I certainly did. It's nice to give ourselves some self-love. A bit of massage always helps you to feel more relaxed, especially at these difficult times. So I will see you again tomorrow. Keep up the dedication. That's how you will see results, by keeping it up daily rather than trying to catch up and do 3 or 4 in a row. It's much better if you can just take the 10-20 minutes a day just to try and fit it in. And don't forget that you are worth that 10-20 minutes a day for you. You know, that's your time to focus on you, so it's important that you take it. So enjoy the rest of your day or the rest of your evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.